Welcome to 1CW Question. I'm your host, Vince VE6LK. Today with me is my real special guest, Zach Milne, W7LHT. Zach licensed in 2008, but he's been banging out dits and DAWs for just a couple of years. He's very active in POTA and sometimes active in SOTA. He'd much rather be outdoors than indoors. Zach, what's your one best tip to help a new CW operator learn?
I think my one best tip is set a small goal that you can build on, whether that be learning the characters to moving on to doing an activation, something that you can consistently build upon so that you see consistent progress.
Right on. That is simple, straightforward, and to the point. Zach, I love it, man. Thanks for coming out, being a part of the project 73.
Hey, 7 3